Leo mugavana Bw'Ekomiti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigore araika Bosio Bw'Ekomiti ya CHIBESA ya Senate irikwiraneria AMABORIO igoro botumiki bwa CHIBESA insi y'oburayi bwaye egati AMABORIO iraneria ya naria akorwa insi y'omurubero umanyekaine buna Public Procurement and Regulatory Authority buna ekobwatia.
And they received it and we explained the matters raised. The county's position is that the allegations are not true. The financial capacity requirements and the NCA registration requirements contained in tender as listed were based on the nature, scope, complexity and risk associated with the procurement and were included in the tender document to ensure that only qualified and capable bidders participated in the process. Section 74 of Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act 2015 requires tender documents clearly specify the evaluation criteria and methodology to be applied in the procurement process. Further, Section 82 of the Act provides the evaluation and comparison of tenders shall be undertaken using the procedures and criteria set out in the tender documents. The evaluation committee applied the criteria uniformly and consistently to all bidders as contained in the tender document. The requirement for NCA registration was included to ensure compliance with the applicable legal and regulatory framework governing construction works and was not intended to discriminate against any bidder. It's a requirement that we always have. The county therefore maintains that the procurement process was conducted in accordance with the law, the tender document and the principles of fairness, transparency and competitiveness.
Mr. Chairman, you couldn't have put it better. This presentation by the governor is fairly technical, and therefore we also need our technical people, as you have said, to analyze and give us a briefing. But that notwithstanding, Governor, my interest is drawn to page 5 of your document, where you are accused of mutilating the standard tender document. That is tender number NCC Environment ONT 006 2025 26. Your response is that that is not true. If you go to page 6, in the second paragraph, despite which ones belong to political players, I'm alive to the fact that the law does not prohibit